Good morning students. Today we will start our same chapter aggregate demand and aggregate supply with the numerical basis, right? Already we had seen in the previous video all the formulas of this chapter और एक formula chapter की notes के साथ मैंने explain किया हुआ है, right? So first numerical based is first question, calculate APC and APS from the following data or from the following schedule. First, what is APC? So APC, it means average propensity to consume, and what is APS? Average propensity to save, right? So now what is the formula of APC? First, that is the basic rule or basic system of this sum. First you just write down the formula below the schedule. First you write down the APC, it means C upon 1, and APS, it means S upon 1. So you just clear your schedule कि कौन से columns और हमको बनाना है. First the data is given in this sum is income is 100, 200 and 300. Now consumption is given 80, 120 and 180. Clear? Now what you want? APC and APS, it means C upon Y. C is directly given to you in this sum and Y is also given to you in this sum. But what about the APS? APS, it means the S upon Y. So you just find out the S in this sum. S, it means save. How to find out the S? So that is the formula of S equal to income minus consumption. Clear? So income minus consumption, it means 100 minus 80, it means 20. 200 minus 120, 80. And 300 minus 180, it means 120. Clear? So you just find out the S. Now just put the value in the formula. So you just make the two column APC and APS. Listen students, if you are writing once a time in this formula here, so you don't write out the formula here again and again, right? So now APC, it means just 80 upon 100 at the level of income. First, this is just for the working or for the understanding. Clear? So just the level of income 80. So first APC equal to 80 upon 100. It means 0.80. So this is 0.80. Now 120 upon 200. So APC equal to 120 upon 200. 0, 0. Now 0. That's this is so 0.60. So 0.60. Now again APC equal to 180 upon 300. So 0, 0, 3, 215, 2, 9 3 5 3 3 so 5 on 3, it means again 0.6. This is your APC. Clear? This is your rough for code. We just explain this with the help of this. It is not necessary in examination. You just write down each and everything. Right? अगर directly calculation कर सकते हो तो well and good for you also. That is the less consuming method. Right? Now APS, it means saving upon income. So 20 upon 100, it means 0.20. 80 upon 200, it means 0.40. Now 120 upon 300 equal to again 0.40. So this is all about your APC and APC and APS. Clear? This is the first numerical. Now write down second one. If the APC and economic is 0.8. So just first, what is given? 0.8 given and C not given and Y 2000. So 2000 multiplied by 0.8 equal to C. So first you just find out the consumption. So what is the answer? If the APC equal to 0.8, so consumption, that is the first method, right? So 2000 into 8.10 like this. You just cut out 1600. 1600 is your consumption. Now you find out the consumption, just find out with the help of the consumption, saving equal to Y minus C. What is Y? 2000. What is C? 1600. So what is your saving? What is your saving? 400 crores. So S equal to rupees 400 crores. This is the first way. This is the first way. But if we change our method, answer remains same. मतलब change करके देखते हैं हमारी method. Because APC, what is APC? We know the APC plus APS equal to 1. Fine. So what is APS? APS equal to APC minus 1 minus APC. So 1 minus 0.8, it means APS equal to 0.20. You just find out the APS with the help of the APC. Fine. Now what is APS? APS equal to Y upon S upon Y. Clear? So what is APS? 0.20 equal to S not given, Y level of income is given 2000. Clear? So S equal to 2000 into 0.20. So S equal to 2000 into 20 upon 100. So this is again becomes 400. So S equal to rupees 400. This is the second way. आपको जो कंफर्टेबल मेथड हो आप वो अप्लाई कर सकते हो, बट आप कोई भी मेथड अप्लाई करोगे, यू जस्ट फाइंड आउट द C first and find out the S. That is the answer remains same in the both condition. Clear? क्योंकि इनकम लेवल उतना का उतना ही रहना है. When the income level is 2000, so what is your saving? 400 crores here also and 400 crores here also. आप कोई भी फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करोगे, आंसर रिमेन सेम. यहाँ दोनों फॉर्मूला से मैंने करके बता दिया है, जिससे कोई कंफ्यूजन ना रहे कि मैम हम ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर सकते हैं या वो कर सकते हैं. आप कोई भी फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करोगे, आंसर रिमेन सेम. क्लियर? नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट नेक्स्ट सम. Schedule is given, so just calculate MPC from the following data. Income is given 0, 100, 200, 300 and 400. Now consumption is given, it means C is given, that is 60, 110, 150, 180 and 200. Now just write down the MPC formula first. What is MPC? It means delta C upon delta Y. Change in consumption and change in income. So you just find out the delta C and delta Y. So delta C and delta Y we need. So just find out this. And here MPC. Clear? डेल्टा से here no change, कंपैरिजन हो नहीं सकता तो चेंज भी नहीं होगा. नाउ 50, 40, 30 and 20. delta C upon delta Y. This is the rough work portion beta. So 50 upon 100, it means 0.50. So this is 0.50, this is 0.40, and this is 0.30, and this is 0.20. Easy, very easy. अगर denominator में 100 है तो it is very easy to divide all these things. Clear? So this is about the MPC. In this type of sum, you just write down the formula first below the schedule. उससे क्या होगा? फॉर्मूला से क्लियर हो जाएगा कौन कौन से कॉलम्स और बनाने हैं. जैसे कॉलम्स बनाओगे आंसर सेम हो जाएगा. और इट इज कंपल्सरी इन एग्जाम ऑल्सो. यू जस्ट राइट डाउन द फॉर्मूला बिलो द सम. क्लियर? बिलो द शेड्यूल और बिलो द sum. Now next question, find out the MPS. We just convert this to MPS. MPS, what do you mean by the MPS? MPS, it means marginal propensity to save. Here data is changed. We find out the MPS. So we need the delta S, and here also. But what is the given in the sum? First we just see that in the sum 100 is given income, 200 is given, 300 is given, 400 and 500. Clear? Sure. Now directly as given to you, as it means the saving. When the income level is 100 crore, saving is 15 crore, 200 पे 40 crores, 70 crores, 110 crores and 160 crores. Now just find out the delta S. What do you mean by the delta S? As you all know, delta S means the change in the saving level, in the proportion of the income. Clear? Sure. Just we find out the delta S first. We just write down the formula of MPS equal to delta S upon delta Y. Now what is delta S? In first no calculation. क्यों? क्योंकि हम कंपेयर किसी से कर ही नहीं सकते इसको. Now second delta S, 40 minus 15, 25. Then 70 minus 40, 30. Then 110 minus 70, it means 40. 160 minus 110, it means 50. Clear? Now delta Y, 100 change is there only. 100, 100, 100 and 100. इसके पहले वाले सब मैंने बोला था. When the denominator is 100, that is very easy to find out the MPC or MPS or whatever. क्यों? क्योंकि केवल डेसिमल्स चेंज कर सकते हैं. फर्स्टली मैं कैलकुलेट करके बता देती हूँ. डेल्टा S is 25 and delta Y is the 100. So answer should be the 0.25. So this is 0.25. Same 0.30. Now 0.40. Now 0.5. This is all about the MPS. Clear? I hope you can just understand all these formulas and numerical based questions also. In the next video again we will discuss some short numerical. It means data is given and you just put down the values only. You just put down the values and find out the different ways of the formulas यही apply करने हैं, but different way में करने हैं. ठीक है? So this is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning students. Today we will start again the numerical of the aggregate demand and aggregate supply. Here what is given to you? So given that the national income is the ₹80. So first you write down the given. National income it is why given is 80. and your consumption is 64, you just find out the APS. So first write out the formula of APS equal to S upon Y. You need here S. S is not given to you. So just find out the S, Y minus C. So Y it means 80 and C it means 64. So S equal to rupees, just minus 80 minus 64. It means 16 crore rupees. So 16 crore. This is your saving. Now just put the value in this formula. So 16 upon 80. What is 16 upon 80? So that is the your saving. It means 0.20. Okay, 2 4s are 2 8s are 8 5s are. It means 1 by 5. It means 0.20. So your APS equal to rupees. Sorry, in decimal only. This is your APS. This is the part 1 only. Fine. Now, the second part of the question. Income rise to 100 crores and C. Consumption rise to 78 crores. अब rise to का मतलब होता है rise by. I think so partnership में ये concept बिल्कुल clear हो गया होगा accounts में कि what do you mean by the to and by. ठीक है? To it means वहाँ तक और by it means उतनी और. It means अगर यहाँ लिखा है ₹100, it means your income is now instead of 80 your income will 100. But अगर यहाँ by लिखा होता तो so you just add this 100 in this 80. So now your income is 180. If here is by, ठीक है, to और by concept. पार्टनरशिप में अकाउंट्स में एक कंसेप्ट बिल्कुल क्लियर हो गया होगा. ठीक है. So now your income level is ₹100 crores and your consumption is ₹78 crores. Clear? What will be the APC? So first write down the formula of APC. It means what is the APC? What is the APC? APC it means C upon 1. It means 78 upon 100. It should be 0.78. So your APC equal to 0.7. Clear? Now, next question and last question from this APS. So MPC. So what is MPC? Delta C upon delta Y. So we need delta C also and we need delta Y also. So first find out the delta C. Now increase 78 and before that 64. So 78 minus 64 and delta Y equal to, what is delta Y? Now 100 and before that 80. So 100 minus 80. Now how much change? 78 minus 64, it means 4 and 1. 14 crores. So delta C equal to rupees 14 crores. And delta Y equal to 100 minus 80, 20. So delta Y equal to rupees 20 crores. Now put the value in this formula. So MPC equal to delta C upon delta Y. What is delta C? 14 upon 20. 2 tens are 2 sevens are. So MPC equal to 0.7. This is your answer. Clear? I hope you can understand all this about this formula, how to make the formula, how to use the formula. Clear? Just again I am repeating this much. In this sum given national income 80 crores and when the national income is 80, your consumption is 64 crores. You just find out the APS. When the APS is there, your saving criteria is there. So saving find out करने के लिए क्या करना है? Income minus consumption. So income minus consumption, your saving becomes 16 crores. Now put in the formula, just put the value. So you just find out the APS. Now scenario is changed. When the income rise to 100, मतलब 80 से 100 हो गया है. So Y equal to 100 and the C rises to 78. मतलब C 64 to 78 हो गया है. So 78. Find out the APC. So what is the APC? C upon Y equal to 78 upon 100. It means the 0.78 is your APC. 0.7.